Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So the topic today I would be discussing about a very rare human condition called Diprosopus. And this video would be similar with another video I have uploaded about a woman having 4 legs. She was also having a very rare condition. So if you have not watched that video, you can click on the link above and can watch that video. So now let's start with the video. Similar to the condition called dipygus, where a human will have 4 legs instead of 2. In this condition, which is called as Diprosopus monocephalus triophthalmus, or shortly we can call it as Diprosopus, a human will have 3 eyes or with a abnormal symmetry of their head portion, and all of the 3 eyes will be well functioning. So here I will mention one of the case study where a Nigerian boy, he was born in 2015 in South Africa. So he was, at the time he born, he had 3 eyes instead of 2 eyes, and when he took to the hospital and they diagnosed his condition, they didn't find anything abnormal. All his cardiovascular system, all his respiratory systems, or all other organs in his body was completely normal, and there is no other condition which could lead him to this abnormal condition. His third eye is located near his left ear, and while examining the baby, the doctor had also examined his mother if they could find any reason why the abnormal condition occurred. Maybe it is because of inheritance or any abnormality during pregnancy, but they could not find any of the reason why this condition occurred. So till the date, scientists actually have not find any particular reason why the conditions like dipygus or conditions like Diprosopus actually occur in a human body. In a statistical studies, they have found that out of 10 lakh cases, 2 of the baby used to born with this kind of abnormal condition. But still, people don't get to know about this abnormal condition because in a spiritual way, people think that baby who born with this kind of conditions like 3 eye or 4 legs, they are called as monsters, or they are called as sin for the society. So people don't usually take those baby to the hospital for further examination. They just abandon them. So this is the main reason why people are not much exposed to this kind of abnormal cases. And also this kind of cases is mostly common in females rather than males. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you want me to make more video in this kind of content, just let me know in the comment section, and thank you for watching.